5:36 p.m. Train weather spotters reported thunderstorms resulting in heavy rain and localized flash flooding in eastern parts of the Colorado Springs area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour.
Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: train spotters reported flash flooding in eastern portions of the Colorado Springs area. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Colorado Springs, Fountain, Peterson Air Force Base, Cimarron Hills, Security, Widefield, Stratford, Fort Carson, and Falcon. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a